What is up, party people? Welcome to Detroit, Michigan, my hometown, roughly. Detroit has a reputation for being a scary city, which, to be honest, 10 years ago was warranted. But in the past 10 years, Detroit's been undergoing a renaissance with initiatives like letting people buy houses for $1 as long as they can show that they have the reasonable funds to fix them up. There's tons of new businesses moving down here and new public transit being built. It's pretty awesome. Detroit has some incredible museums, a bunch of cool activities, and clubs like the Detroit Fire Collective. That's my brother. We also have the Lions, the Tigers, don't have the Bears, but we do have the Pistons, and of course, the Red Wings. Speaking of the Red Wings, since being here, I learned that our assistant sound tech, Thomas, also has a connection to the Red Wings, and that his uncle used to coach for them. His uncle is none other than Scotty Bowman. All my Michiganders out there are gonna be really excited about that, or hockey fans in general. Scotty Bowman coached the Red Wings during their most successful years. So while we're here, we play the beautiful Fox Theater. The Fox was built in 1928. It seats just over 5,000 people, which is freaking huge. It's the largest movie palace of the 1920s, as well as the largest original Fox Theater. I played Franz all weekend, and Brenna played Sherrie on Saturday. I'm so glad we got to spend some time here so I could go home and spend some time with my family. I had so many friends come out and see the show. My mom made me breakfast, got some David Ayer pancakes, and she made cookies for the entire cast and crew. If you've never had David Ayer pancakes, you're gonna have to come over for breakfast sometime because they're incredible. Anyway, next stop, Midland, Michigan. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.